Okay guys, today we are going to be delivering packages in APM Roblox. First, we are going to be delivering this monster truck to this very rich man. He needs 3 things ordered. So this might take a second, but we have to get this onto the trailer and then somehow literally on. And there we go, see, it's on. And now we have to just drive it to the person. So we will see you when we're there. Okay, we are at the spot. We are gonna deliver this to a person. We're just gonna park it and then go get another order because it's gonna take a second. So let's go and just let's do it. Alright, now is literally the next one. We have this ginormous tractor that I don't know what he would use for. We have it on this small little truck, but this is my best truck probably, so this is gonna easily haul this over there. Alright, we are at the spot right now. We are about to drop off this ginormous tractor. Okay, this guy is gonna better pay me a lot of money because I'm not. Alright, so where do you want this to be parked at? Because I don't know where this big tractor is gonna go.
Alright, sir, I want it in the garage.
Alright, got it. I'm gonna take it in the garage right now. I'm gonna lower it and let's speed this up. Alright, we have the next vehicle right here. This is like a boat thing, but it's icy outside, so I don't know what he's gonna do, but this is the last thing. I don't know why. Let's speed this up and let's go. Alright, I don't know why this guy's on the trailer. He's kind of going crazy. Alright, this guy just fell off the trailer. Oh my god. Alright, this is the last thing I'm doing for this guy. And we are literally done with it. So we're going to raise this up and just head home because I'm tired. This guy got all his stuff. Alright, see y'all in the next one. See ya!